Hello and welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Today I want to do a couple more things in this park that I still haven't done somehow. I still have not ridden Flight of Passage, so I think I want to do that. And then there's a couple of other shows. There's like the animal show and kind of the bird show that they do by the front of the park. It's Tough to Be a Bug. There's still a lot of stuff in this park that I still have not done. So I think today I'm going to try to do a couple of those things and yeah, just have a relaxing day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. So come along and let's enjoy Animal Kingdom together. First thing I want to do today is go get on Flight of Passage. That's the one thing that I want to do here today for sure. So we'll go get on that, and then after we get done with that, we'll see what else we can do today.
Yes, ma'am. Right here, left-hand side.
Please enter all the way into the room and stand on the number you were given.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. But first, we have to scan you for Pandora microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an Ikran. Let's see how this works.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated.
Okay, so I just got off a Flight of Passage. I know that's like a lot of people's favorite ride here, and a lot of people's favorite ride at any Disney park. I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. I know that's probably controversial, but I feel like I like Soarin' better. They're kind of in the same kind of style of ride, right? The simulator, you're flying. But yeah, something about the Flight of Passage just didn't quite live up to my expectations. I don't know what it was about it. I like it. I think that the ride, like the seat that you're on, you can feel it moving and like, you know, breathing. Like the Banshee that you're on is like, you know, banking left and right, and you can feel it on your legs and stuff like that. And they've got the mist effects and everything. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was like partly was the glasses that I had on. I could still see like the double, you know, vision from like the 3D effect or whatever. So that kind of took me out of it a little bit. But it was good. It was fun. I don't know if I'd wait, you know, another hour and a half for it. It's always a really long line. But tell me what you think in the comments. Did it live up to your expectations? Have you ridden it? Are you looking forward to riding it? And if it's your favorite ride, let me know. You know, it's okay to disagree on these things. But yeah, I don't know. I've been looking forward to it for a long time, so maybe I just had it hyped up in my mind, you know? But let me know in the comments what you think about Flight of Passage, and if you agree with me, or if you don't. And I was on the fence about doing the Navi River journey also, because the line for that is also super long, but I think since I'm here, you know, might as well go ahead and do it, right? Might as well get on the river journey. I've actually only ridden the Navi River journey one other time, so I'm looking forward to riding it again and getting kind of you know, a second take on it. So it'll be nice to kind of check this one out again too.
Scope this out.
Well, Navi River journey was pretty much what I remembered it. It's to me it feels like a pretty short ride, and I think that like for the length of time that you have to wait to get on it, I don't really know if it's like worth it to me to do that all the time. I know if like you're here one time and those are, you know, the two big rides that you want to do, absolutely go get on them. But because I'm here more often, I don't know, it's hard for me to justify waiting in line for 60, 70, 90 minutes to ride either of those. But again, let me know what you think. They're pretty, I like them, but it's just the time to like entertainment value for me, I don't know if it's quite there. But anyway, we're moving on to something else now, and I think we might go get some lunch. I do like taking this little Tree of Life garden pathway that goes behind the Tree of Life. It's always a nice little area to kind of get away from the crowds for a little bit and just take a nice little stroll and maybe see some animals along the way too. So I ended up getting the Korean fried chicken sandwich from the Yak and Yeti like quick service area, but I didn't record any of it. I went to hit record. I thought I was recording, and I wasn't recording. So now we're on the Maharajah jungle trek, and maybe we'll see some animals to make up for the fact that didn't get to record my lunch for you guys. Really love the Maharajah Jungle Trek, but now let's go check out the Feathered Friends in Flight bird show. That's something I haven't done before either, so I'm excited to go see that.
Hello!
Welcome to Feathered Friends in Flight. My name is Josh.
I'm Ari.
And you know, ravens, ground hornbills, ibis, all these cool birds have been here connecting people with the natural world ever since the park has been opened in 1998.
Yeah, and this is like our favorite part of every day because we get to come out here and share all of the birds that are flying all over the place with all of you. And we've been doing this for quite a long time because birds like Yoshi, the ground hornbill, are going to be flying all over the place. You want a close look, like maybe right through this section of Yoshi? We'll see if Yoshi can give you a close look. First, you can turn around and look that direction, and then you can wiggle the plants, and then you can look that way, and you can think, and then you fly!
Surprise! The show was in 3D!
Two of you are going to stand up right where you are and face each other. And then you're going to work together to make a hoop, like this, with your arms. It's going to be like the tree branches in the forest. Yes, and if you are in the flight path, right here between Josh and Corey, you're getting an extra close look. This guy is like super prepared.
I know. The idea is that we have a dense canopy right here, two taller trees. What do we think? You did a great job too. You are very good at catching flying fruit. Now the hardest part is saying goodbye. I'm just gonna hop through the window right there.
take a left. That's Harvey, our terminal hornbill. Owl's kind of natural pest control, and we haven't seen a rat or a mouse ever since.
That's all we heard.
Yeah, owls are number one. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, exactly.
I see. I interrupted. Really, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Okay. Well, like I said, once they get a treat for something, odds are they're going to do that behavior again, right? The frequency will increase because they're getting something out of it. So if Ari gave her a treat, she'll do it again. Ari?
Yeah.
You're still giving her treats.
I know, that was great. And they laughed, and I am reinforced by laughter.
Okay, well, that's a dangerous game to play. It's not really safe behavior, right? She could go out there and she could, no. See,
No, I
she's
think
covering
it's
my
just
shoes.
your shoes.
No, not happening.
She's
I'm gonna
really
cover my laces. I'm not gonna do it.
Proud? What was that?
I think that was my microphone.
That was your mic cord? Are you sure it didn't? Wait, are you just, can you get it? Reach in there. Ta-da! You guys picked a good show to come and see today. Okay, our sound tech is Joe. Everyone say hi, Joe. Hi, Joe. Doesn't look very happy. What do we do, Joe? Parents live in the home with us. They hear us talking, right? We copy those sounds a lot like talking, and so that's how we get that memory. Thank you again. But even though all parents have the ability to copy sounds, most never choose to do so. But Groucho is the exception to the rule. Do you want to give everybody out there a great big hello? Hello. Do you want to keep going? That was like the first word. Hey, hi. Hello. Hi. Okay, pretty cool, right? It is really amazing. But what's even more amazing than that is Groucho knows the lyrics to 7 entire songs like that from beginning to end. Do you want to hear another song? Yeah? Oh, Groucho, they're being really sweet. Let's do something special. Do you want to give everybody out there a great big kiss? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Here we go.
But he does kind of look like a dinosaur, and he is one of the largest flighted birds in the entire world. This is about 11 feet or heads up.
Yeah, that is a huge wingspan, but also hugely important in the wild because
back to the soil when they eat all that stuff. It's our friendly reminder that if we all recycle in our own way, not his way, in our way, the world would be a much cleaner place. When Hope was much, much younger, she suffered a wing injury and she couldn't be re-released into the wild. So now she lives with us to tell an amazing story. You see, not too long ago, bald eagles numbers were dropping rapidly, and it is an awesome conservation success story, and it goes to show that every individual here has the power to help save wildlife.
Yeah, every population, and one day we might get the chance to see skies filled with blue-throated macaws.
And that would be an incredible sight to see, right? But it doesn't end there. There are so many other birds you can go out and learn about. Go all with one final wish.
May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever. Namaste.
Well, how fun was that? Friends in Feathered Flight bird show. It was really, really cool and really entertaining. And I'm not the biggest fan of birds, but I did have a lot of fun at that show. So I think we'll go into a couple of these shops, see if they have any Christmas merchandise. We're not going to do a full Christmas rundown because actually tomorrow I will be at the opening night of Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So I'll save a lot of the Christmas stuff for that. So just want to take a quick peek in and see what they have here. Here's a brand new set that they have just released. Here they've got a couple of these different sweatshirts with Mickey and Minnie on them in a kind of a new style. And they also have like backpacks and hats as well. with that new style on there. Indication that it's the holiday season here in the park so far are these little Christmas trees in the shops. Holiday things also, they have a Mickey and Minnie plush. And they've got like some kind of Christmas dresses here. Pretty cute. Oh, and then Chippendale in a stocking. Yeah, here's some more. They've got actually quite a few things out over on this side. The Christmas Crocs. And the ears. What does this say? Oh, it's like an ornament decorating set. That's kind of cute.
People also ask, what's the suicide
Look at this. They have a Nuimo's advent calendar. So I'm guessing you get the 2 Nuimos and then every day you get some little accessories for them. So it says 2 Nuimos plushes, 7 outfits, and 3 accessories. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. For $149.99. I have been waiting for these to come to the store so I could see them in person. I saw them online, but they've got the new Mickey the Main Attraction set, and it is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. And this is my favorite one so far. I love it. It's awesome. There's the Loungefly, and then they have the pen. But I don't see the plush or the ears that go along with the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad set for Mickey the Main Attraction. Those are the ones that I wanted to see, the plush especially. We'll have to find it online, I guess. That's going to do it for us today from Disney's Animal Kingdom. It ended up being a really great day, even though Pandora kind of got us off to a little bit of a slow start, having to wait in those long lines. I was glad to be able to do those rides and Flight of Passage, which I'd never done before, so certainly glad to be able to do that. And then, yeah, getting a little lunch, seeing a couple animals, and then going to that bird show was really awesome. So we will see you tomorrow at the Very Merry Christmas Party, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.